Hi, hello. This project name is Cleaning Path Detection using Arduino Uno. In this, we are using two IR sensor. Using these two IR sensors, we will detect the path, and this is the ultrasonic sensor. Using ultrasonic sensor, we will detect the object, and this is the motor driver. Using motor driver, we will control the robot like forward, left, right and stop, and this is the relay. This is the DC motor. For DC motor, we are connecting the cleaning. This DC motor we are connecting to the relay. Using relay, we will stop cleaning and on the cleaning. And here, this is the lithium batteries. Using lithium batteries, we are giving power supply to the whole the system. And this is the switch. If you on this switch, automatically it will on. Now I'm onning the robot. We can see now how it is going through line.